Yeah, if I go back and we talk about pain points specifically, the key really is first helping organizations to avoid buyer's remorse. It's easy to say, hey, there's all of this choice of AI appliances out there. But when you start to actually look at, well, what would it actually take to operate this thing? You're going to wind up in many cases having to build this entire software stack for all of the different operational considerations you might have, from backup to security to observability, resiliency, DR, and so forth. Change management. These things don't go away, and that's going to be really key. This is what we hear often in terms of the value that we're providing in terms of setting that overall foundation. And as Talat has already shared earlier, that shorter time to value is massive when you can take a model, pull a model down, be able to connect it to some of your data sources, and you're talking about being going from 0 to services in production even in a matter of days. That's tremendous value. We've had customers tell us that just to certify the software stack for the model itself, sometimes that takes them a couple of months, because it's not just run the model. It's like, well, what is the accelerator specific driver I might need, or optimized kernels, or accelerator specific frameworks? The nuance, once you get into the details, is very complex. So when you can have something that's simple to operate, simple to scale, has a consistent set of management operations tools, you really got something going for you. And then again, when you layer a solution like Vectara on top of ECF, then you're really set up end to end to be successful.
Yeah, so when I interview some of our engineers for a job, some of them mentioned that they build a RAG end-to-end solution on the weekend, right? And I was like, that's great, but what about production, right? So when you go to production, you have so many challenges that they're not obvious at build time, right? Scalability is one, like security is another, observability, audit logs, governance, all that kind of stuff is you might think or talking about at build time, but once you go to production, you need those, right? So those are some of the pain points that you want VMware and Vectara for. Second is enterprises, they have so much data that they want value out of, and it's hard to get that. And AI is enabling that, right? AI is making them dream to how to get knowledge out of data, basically. And some of this data is extremely, extremely complicated. Like you can take one PDF, it has like text, it has like text in some context is being applied differently. Fifth page is referring to the first page about something. You have five images on one page talking about completely different things. You have tables. So even parsing one PDF might be so complicated. Right now, imagine millions of those documents. That's knowledge that you want to use inside your enterprise, and that's where we come in. Not only do you get good quality retrieval, good quality answers out of it. But it's an agentic platform that you can use for taking actions as well. Like in a customer support chatbot or an IT managed system, you can take actions. You can launch new GitHub issue or Jira tickets or something, right? So and it's not just proof of value for in just a lab. You can go to production, like literally we've seen people go to production in weeks instead of months. So that's, I think, the main pain points that we solve together with VCF and Vector.